Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create auto captions for your video on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have imported my video to my CapCut project. And if you want to create auto caption, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the text option. Then you're going to click on auto caption and select auto caption. Then here you can select the language you want to apply to your caption. And since this video is in English language, so I'm just going to select English. Then we can click on a create option to start creating auto captions for our video. Okay, and you have to wait until 100%. Okay, and now the auto captions has been created, and this is the auto caption. Then we can edit the caption right here. You can edit the color of your caption. You can also edit the font size, and it's up to you. You can also animate your caption, and it's up to you guys. You can edit as you want. And I'm just going to play the video to take a look at the results.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve.
Okay, and I guess that's how we can create auto captions for our video on CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.